Do you want to know how you can change the language or country on SoloLearn? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your language or country on SoloLearn. So let's go ahead and start with the video. First of all, open any browser on your PC and go to sololearn.com. Make sure that you have logged into your country. You can see the language or the country over here. To change it, you can go to your profile on the top right hand side and go to settings. So the universal language is selected as English. You cannot exactly change it, but you can change your secondary language and your country. So right now this country has been selected. What you can do is select the country of your choice. So this is the country you live in, so go ahead and choose it and click save. After you do so, click on cross and there you go. This is how you change your language and country on SoloLearn. All you need to do is go to profile, click on settings, choose the country and go ahead and select the country of your residence. So go ahead and choose it and click save. This way you can change your country or language. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.